What's up, guys? Back to another motherfucking video. Got my boy JC in the house. So, today is the day that we'll be installing the 13s. Look at this. Cadillac's right there. Don't think I sold it. Still there. All right, let's get to it. All right. So, due to this brake caliper being so fucking huge, this is the spacer you need. This is the exact part number. Look it up on Amazon. I'll post a link. If you look over here, it's nice and snug. All right, so here's the difference. The hub center is 71.5, and that one is 70.5. And this is what I was talking about. You don't want this up and down. You want it to be snug like this. So that's what you're looking for. Get the right ones, or else you're gonna get fucked. Sorry, screwed. All right. Don't forget the white goes on the driver's side. There you go. The spacer's on, 1 1/4. Oh, you know what? Hold on.
What? Not sitting flush?
Not sitting flush.
Why?
We'll get back to you. Let's see what's going on. All right, so this is what I was talking about. See how it sticks out? It will not let you put the adapter flush. So you have to cut those off. I still gotta push it in more, but yeah, just wanna show you guys real quick. And you wanna use 1 1/4, these will stick out, you cut them. 1 1/2, you'll clear, but the wheel's gonna pop out. So might as well just get out of the way and cut them. That's it. All right, this is how it looks. Spacer. We did have to cut the tip of the studs on the original spindle. But this is the final product. Let you guys know right now. All right, guys, here's the final product. 13s to the concrete. It was a must. Cross lace, black lip, a little dirty. 2 ears. I'll clean them up later. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? A little different from the Cadillac for sure. Ended up putting a system in it already. This is ready to go. I'm gonna get some rolling shots in a little bit. So what I ended up doing is cutting that little piece of stud off on all 4 sides for the wheels. I think these didn't even need no cutting, but I didn't want to put them on and pull them off again. So I just cut the little studs off on all 4 corners. The interior. A little better view in the daytime. There you go. Yep.